My Maytag Centennial washer keeps coming up with F7E1 code. I replaced actuator and main board. When running diagnostics, it still stops when it gets to spin mode. What can I do now?
Can you guesstimate how old your Maytag is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
MBWC 360A0 machine was bought in 2012.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, sorry to hear you are having trouble. I'm Joel and will be glad to help you today. That is a basket speed fault error. It means the control can't determine the speed of the basket. There are several issues that can cause that error, but it's not a simple one to diagnose. You will need a ohm meter and know how to use and follow the instructions listed under the F7E1 error code on page 7 of the tech data sheet I have provided below in order to determine the cause of the error. Click here to open/download tech data sheet. We are on the honor system here. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance. Rating the answer does not close the question out, it will still be open after you rate. I do not get compensated until you rate, so it will be greatly appreciated. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.